Hi guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. You're welcome to Quibec Tv channel. For my first time subscribers, please like and subscribe. For my previous subscribers, thank you for watching. Okay, so today I'll be talking about a cleanser, a very good cleanser that I know of. I'll be talking about Damalis cleanser. Now, this is Damalis cleanser. I've used this one before. It is Damalis cleanser. For those of you, some of you already know about Damalis cleanser. Some of you are new to Damalis cleanser. So I'll be making a full review of Damalis cleanser. Now, Damalis cleanser is a very good cleanser. It works perfectly well for your face. It clears your face from pigmentation, dark spots, gives you a clear and even toned skin. It works for your face. It works for dark circles. It actually works for your knuckles. You can use it for your dark knuckles. You can use it for your dark elbows. It works for acne. It clears your pigmentation. It lightens your skin. Now, for those of you who do not want to lighten, you can use Damalis cleanser for a while, then stop, and you can use it for a while, then stop. Actually, Damalis cleanser isn't a long-term cleanser. You can't use Damalis cleanser for too long because it might make you have reddish on your face. So you might start having reddish on your face, you know, when if you use it for a very long time. So Damalis cleanser is not a long-term cleanser. Use it for a while and you drop it. You leave your face for a while, then if you break out again or if the pimples comes back, then use it again for a while, or use it one off, or use it for like 2 times a week or 3 times a week. It's not something you use for a very long time. Now, Dermalis cleanser is not really good for sensitive skin. If you have sensitive skin, it is advisable you mix Dermalis cleanser with rose water to reduce the effectiveness of the cleanser. Use it with rose water, and it is preferably if you use your Dermalis cleanser at night. You apply it at night. Dermalis cleanser can also be used as a base. You can use it to make other cleanser. You add it with other cleanser to make your own specialized cleanser. You can add it. You just check the ingredients that Dermalis has and check the ingredients that other cleanser have. Then you mix them together. There are ways to do that. You have to make sure they have similar ingredients for you to mix them together. So you can use Damalis cleanser to make other cleanser. You can use it alone if you want, and you can also mix it with rose water if you don't want to lighten too much, or if you think you have a sensitive skin and the um you don't want like 100% of the effectiveness of this. Now, Damalis cleanser is made from 2 different countries. We have one that is made in Nigeria, and you have another one that is made in Abidjan. This one is actually made in Abidjan. I mostly use the one from Abidjan, not because the Nigerian one is fake. The Nigerian one is not fake. The Abidjan one is not fake. None of them is fake. They both work perfectly well. The only problem I have with the Nigerian one is sometimes when I keep the Nigerian one in the shop, it changes color. It darkens. It darkens. So I prefer using the Abidjan one, and I've never had any issue with the Abidjan one. You can see that I've been using this one. It hasn't changed. If it was the Nigerian one, by now it would have started changing color. I think that's the only issue I have with the Nigeria and the Abidjan Damalis. But all in all, they work perfectly the same way and they work very well. There's no fake or original. They both work very well. It's just made in different countries. If it is the Nigerian one, you can get fine. You can use it. If it is the Abidjan one, you can get fine. You can use both. They both work perfectly well. Dermalis isn't a long-term thing. It will give you reddishness on your face. Your face will start getting red. So it's preferably use it for a while and stop. It's not a long-term cleanser. It's just something used for a while, and once you get your desired results, you change to something else or you stop. It clears your skin and it works perfectly well. It's not really good for sensitive skin. You can mix it up with your cleanser, with other cleanser, or you mix it up with rose water to reduce the effectiveness of the cleanser. That is all for Damalis.